Oh, hi! If you remember our recent everyday carry knife video, you should probably remember these two knives. Well, once again, cruising by our favorite depot, we couldn't help but stop in for some truck stop sushi and the finest, cheapest of everyday carry spring-assisted pocket knives. Having decided to run up a part 2 for our finest, cheapest knife collection. Again with the Falcon knives, which is proving to be a rather versatile and expansive brand.
Sorry, I gotta go.
Interesting how different types of knives and their stylization can carry brand to both cultural and socio-cultural aspects. In this video, we jump from some warriors come out and play type greaser heritage
You're dead.
to the sleeker looks of some Shokasuji type Tanto construction. Both offering a bit of grace with the side of ferocious demeanor.
They're not taking him. Man, this is crazy. They're not taking him. He's got a knife.
Jeez, come on, man.
You're gonna have to kill me, Ace.
No problem.
Easy there, Ace. We do need to get the woof out for his evening walk, so it looks like River is saved by the collar for now. We are still a bushcraft channel. I mean, we've done a few, but it's not like we're trying to switch over to knife reviews. We'll save that for the professionals. But we have been getting into a bit of bushcraft tactical. Check out our previous video for the disambiguation on all of that. Up first, we'll dig a bit into the Orient and talk about this fantastic little Tanto blade. Weighing in with a 440 stainless steel 4-inch blade and 5-inch coated colored steel 440 stainless handle, this spring-assisted Falcon Knives Tanto blade is one ripe to be reckoned with. What is that, probably 83 cents including tax USD, given our political climate of late? In any case, featuring a curved belly and controlled tip, the blade proves ideal for slicing, skinning, and detail work. Though when it comes right down to it, Tanto-style blades are most widely known for their excellent piercing capabilities due to the design holding a direct 45-degree angle from the drop point of their blade down their forebelly. These blades were originally developed and designed for weaponization. The shelf edge can also be used for prying open cans and other such things. Though most people will state disclaimer against using your blade to pry against anything. It's kind of like the old woodsman's maxim that says, don't cut towards yourself unless you know what you're doing. Given these both gruesome and handy features, Tanto blades offer an expansive versatility, making them top contender as an everyday carry. Let's come around to a North American classic homage to the 1950s stiletto knife blade. Once again with a 5-inch handle and pocket clip. Rosewood scales, 4-inch 440 stainless steel, single-bladed edge. Stiletto switchblades with their long, slender, pointed blades were primarily designed as offensive weapons, used for stabbing, throwing, and piercing, rather than cutting and tooling. Ergo, not very versatile as a tool, but a cool add to any collection given its historical relevance. Their slim profile made them easy to conceal, and the spring-loaded blade made it easy for quick deployment in close-quarter combat. Historically, they were used for self-defense and by criminal groups for intimidation tactics. In summary, not at all practical for an everyday carry, but a pretty fun little knife nonetheless. Of course, PC Bullcraft no way endorses any bladed weapon or otherwise for the act of self-defense or violent activity. That being said, the world is a dangerous place, and being vigilant is the price of admission.
Let's finish this thing once and for all.